Greetings devs, this is Vaibhav with a demo on our Solana project Orchestrix, a universal DeFi automation layer built on Solana. So basically it automates all the workflows of a user and basically optimizes your yield to the maximum. So the issue everyone is facing is multi-step workflows regarding any kind of swap, stakes, liquidity provisioning, lending, borrowing, or any kind of other marketing requires manual execution with precise timing and constant monitoring of the prices. For instance, if you want to swap your asset to another asset when it reaches a certain value, you need to constantly monitor it. Here comes Orchestrix, which describes two types of protocols, the immediate and the conditional workflow execution modes, which are built on Solana with trustless control. Your funds are completely executed to your workflow. Starting with the immediate workflow execution, this one do not require any kind of condition to be met. They are either set by you or already exist, and you can execute them without any kind of condition or prerequisite condition to be met. For example, if you want to unstake all your ETH from a particular platform and stake them to another platform, you can execute your workflow and it will execute immediately without any condition requirement. The keepers, which are basically the ones who execute the workflow, always monitor this happens. Now, as the name suggests, the conditional workflows require some conditions to be met prior to the execution. For instance, if you want a certain trade to happen or asset swapping when the value of assets reach a fixed threshold, you can have them done under conditional workflows, like the arbitraging only happening when the price difference between two platforms reach 2%, for instance, Marinade and Jupiter. In these two platforms, if the price difference is 2% with Marinade exceeding in the prices, you will have them executed immediately after this particular condition is met. As we process, we can see that the permissionless participation is always an option. You can always become a keeper by producing your own workflows and staking tokens to execute a resilient execution layer. And the incentive alignment always works, as we can always earn fees by executing workflows, and there always is a security as any kind of malicious behavior is constantly observed and there are penalties for it. That was the whole project, folks. Now we would like to hear your opinion and any kind of idea improvement. Thank you again. Now we'll process with the demo of the website we have built. Okay devs, so we'll start with the demo. First we'll connect our wallet, Solana wallet, to the app, and it is connected here. And now we'll launch the app. We can see that the dashboard contains all kinds of records of the user, like the total portfolio values, the active workflows, the total profit earned by those workflows, and the average execution time, along with the pending conditions. And we can also see the portfolio distribution. Now we'll check on the workflows. The workflows contain both types, the immediate and the conditional. The immediate one consists of the emergency exit workflow. The step one is unstaking all your assets from the platform, then swapping it to USDC, and then bridging it to Ethereum. We can see that the first one executes, then the second and the third one also, and the total profit earned by the workflow is also shown below. Now we'll check on the conditional workflows. First one is auto stake sol. Now we can see that it requires the sol balance to exceed value 10. Then only it will swap USDC with sol and then staking sol on Marinade. We can see that the condition is met, then step 1 executes, and then the step 2 also executes, and the total profit is also given below. And now you can also create your own workflow and begin a keeper workflow. You can see that the portfolio value contains all the total profit and your balance earned by you. Thank you.